So this is the second part of the drawing. In the previous drawing you can see just initializes the painting. So now I'm going to just in the last sections and just finishing point. So let's put a bird which is flying in the sky. Just try to draw something like V shape. So we're going to draw like this. For the wings you can draw the middle point very nicely. Okay, and the bird you can draw here. All right, and the body. Okay, on top you can see it's a cloud formation, so let's put and the bird very high. Okay, and two on the top of the mountains, so just putting something like W. Okay, trying to make thicker the middle point, and another bird that's going to be smaller in size. Okay, all right, so few birds you can see in the painting. Sorry. Now we're just going to draw the borders of the landscape. So this is the just border outlines. Okay, and also this side has a critical border, you can see. Here also you can see the borders. All right, and in this segment you can see the border too. All right, here also some borders are visible. As a part of the landscape you can see the borders. All right, so for the all the trees you can see the bottom has the roots to the ground. So all the trees has a root to the ground. And a few lines are visible in the middle of the tree leaves, so the branches, just doing the details. The tree which you can see in the behind sceneries, those are a little bit more dark than which is on the front line in front of us. That's usually the lighter color. Okay, so the detailing works you can have to do it with patience. Okay, only two are left on the right side. This is the last one. Now all we need to do is to put the roots here. So these are going to be the little bold. And few racks like this, it's nice positions in the ground. Okay, awesome. So in a part you can see the overall presentation. It's going to be like a natural landscape, mountain landscape, which is going to be very good. And one more thing, if you like, you can put a boat here. So let's put a long boat. Which is very taller, and it's a bigger board, you can see from the drawing, and the reflections is pretty big on the water. Okay, another line I'm putting on the other side and putting the details. So you can see the details of the boat, looks nice. All right, now the thing is that you can also put some greeneries as a part of the shades on the water. So that's why just by taking some green colors, little bit different types of greens, just putting the the reflections over the water. Like these few strokes, so that defines the reflections. You can see the reflections. All right, also few reflections here on the water. And few for the mountains. Just putting in the middle of the water. So this is almost done, and you can see the steps and all the procedures are not so tough. This is very easy, just follow the steps. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawings. In our next videos we're going to paint more interesting stops and sceneries. Have a good day.